So here's the thing. While some folks are still arguing over whether ChatGPT can write a halfway decent blog post, spoiler, it can if you feed it right, others are quietly watching their web traffic take a nosedive or spike, depending on whether they're paying attention to where users are actually coming from in 2025. Newsflash, your new referral sources aren't named Google or Bing anymore. They're named ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, and Copilot, and they're all showing up at your digital doorstep like unexpected party guests who also brought friends, snacks, and a surprising amount of business. According to Previsible's 2025 AI traffic report, LLMs are now legit traffic drivers, like 527% growth in AI-referred traffic in 5 months, kind of legit. These things aren't emerging. They've already arrived, moved in, and reprogrammed your smart fridge. And here's the kicker. This isn't just nerdy curiosity traffic from people asking, "What's the capital of Iceland?" No, we're talking bottom of funnel, high-intent traffic, real customers, real decision makers, asking real questions like, "What should I ask a lawyer before I sign this stupid lease?" Or, "How do I set up payroll for my bakery with 5 employees and 0 chill?" And "Which CRM won't make me cry into my coffee?" These are the kinds of nuanced, context-loaded, adulting questions people use to ask Google or, a very patient friend. Now, they're asking AI, and those AIs are pointing them directly to brands, websites, and content they trust. And if you aren't prepared, that content might not be what they see. ChatGPT is still the queen bee, responsible for 40 to 60% of LLM-driven traffic across nearly every vertical. If you're not optimizing for this one, you're not even in the game. You're just warming the bench in khakis. Perplexity is the dark horse. It's got surprisingly strong game in finance and SMB. Think 0.073% of finance traffic and 0.041% of SMB. Which I know does not sound like huge numbers until you remember these tools didn't even exist on marketing roadmaps last year. Copilot by Microsoft is making serious moves in legal and finance. This one's like that kid in the back of the class who suddenly aces the final and ruins the bell curve. Thanks, Jimmy. Gemini by Big Daddy Google is emerging in insurance and SMB. Still the youngest sibling trying to prove itself, but don't sleep on it. It's backed by the biggest name in the room. And Claude by Anthropic is still lurking in the background like a quiet intern, but showing up consistently. The kind you ignore until they replace you. Here's the point, my friend. This isn't a one-model show anymore. If you're only optimizing your content to rank in Google or hoping ChatGPT grabs your FAQ, you're playing checkers on a chessboard. Each model pulls and presents content differently. Each favors different tones, formats, and even sources. Some love structured content. Others want conversational stuff. Some are weirdly obsessed with citations and credibility. Others, they'll pick up that spicy blog post you wrote in 2023 and treat it like gospel because it sounds confident. So, stop thinking like an SEO from 2015 and start acting like a content syndicator for AI models. Make your stuff clear, tight, and scannable. Build trust signals directly into your content. Track LLM-driven sessions. And, for the love of rankings, stop pretending like this shift is coming. Because it's here. It's happening. And if you're still optimizing solely for Google's crawler like it's your emotionally unavailable ex, you're going to miss the new relationship right in front of you. This is multi-model SEO now, and you don't need to marry all of them, but you do need to make them all swipe right on your content. Are you an agency, SEO, professional, independent contractor, or small to medium business? PosiRank is your ultimate solution for SEO management. With intuitive automation tailored to your needs and A+ link building, we've got you covered. Let's boost your online presence and drive impressive ROI together. So head on over to posirank.com and join the community today.